nĩ cioro iria ikoretwo ikĩhũthĩrwo nĩ arutwo thukuru-inĩ wa Merti ya mũhuro kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo na iria irĩkĩtie kũmomoka kumana na mũiyũro hingo ya mbura nene iria ikoretwo ĩkĩringana mwena ũyũ.
I've already submerged, I've sunk, some semi-permanent classes have also submerged, and temporary classes have been already destroyed. Even the offices, they have flooded with water, and the whole compound is now muddy.
I, as a head teacher, I've got no office, I've got no point to coordinate. Moving from Merti Muslim, where we have deployed grade 1 and 6, in the morning, when I wake up, I go up, the Rama is this side.
Kũringana na arutani anene kuma thukuru iria hutie nĩ ũndũ hotometie mĩhang'o ya mathomo amu nginyagia rĩu matirĩ marahingũra cukuru.
So unlike mine, we have deployed from grade 1 to 6 at Merti Muslim, grade 7 and 8 at Arama. So as I'm speaking, there is Khalifa Abubakar Primary School is not operational.
We are even stretching their resources, and even some of our learning resources have been affected, like textbooks. We have even taken that reports to our education officers. They are aware, and most of our resources, as that school, Merti South, is not operational now.
Not back in school, and there is no possibility of them going back unless we do so much that is required to ensure that they can go back. You can imagine some schools are being run 1 in 2 because the structures have been completely destroyed by the floods.
Marauga mambĩtie gũtukania arutwo thukuru-inĩ iria itahutĩtio nĩ marũrũ ma mũiyũro ũyũ mathiage na mbere na mathomo mĩhang'o ya gũthondeka indo iria thũkangie ĩgĩthiaga na mbere.
Up to 7 public schools that have been affected. They are not operational. They are not even likely to be open anytime soon unless there's a major intervention from the ministry and from the CDF.
This particular floods that we are complaining about, it has been caused by the blockage of the flow of Wasonyiro River by the Prosopis juliflora, locally known as Biscuti Mujinga, this kind of the plants that we have. So we are calling upon all to ensure that these particular species be eradicated completely from our area.
Ona kũhana ũguo nĩ morĩtie thirikari ĩtĩke mbu yao makiuga matirĩ na mbeca cia kũigana cia gũthondeka mathukuru macio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo, njĩtagwo Kariũki wa Wambui.